Hey, we are on our way over to Portillos to eat out tonight. We have Will and Peter and Will's girlfriend Michelle.
And don't forget me.
And don't forget the beautiful one. So it should be a wonderful adventure tonight.
Yes, it should.
And this is courtesy, this is on my new PGY Tech selfie stick designed specifically for the DJI Osmo Action. So it's another first. Oh boy, aren't we all excited?
You could say that with a little more enthusiasm.
Oh boy, aren't we real excited? Now this is going to come in handy when we are going up to Ohio. O-H-I-O, that is. For those of you that were not from the Buckeye State. And there's Will. Hi, Will. Hey, we will see you at Portillos. Aren't we all excited here? Going into Portillos. And look who's here. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
My son just held the door open. He must be hungry. Y'all are in for a treat here, Portillos. Let's see if we get a rookie cashier tonight here, or a veteran. Do you guys know what you want?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
For here, I want a burger.
You like cheese on it? And everything on that's okay?
Yep. Cheese and a glass of water.
Right behind you.
I didn't know.
Want to do a Italian beef?
Check that. Is it a half pounder for that?
No. Want that dry with 2 sides of gravy? Have a coupon for a large fry.
Yeah, I'll get I got double.
Then we'll have a large Coke. And then I want to do 8 sides of fries. Or, I'm sorry, never mind. 8 sides of dill pickles, I'm sorry. The strips, not the... Thank you, I'm sorry, I don't know what I was thinking. God.
8 fries.
8 fries. Go ahead and you can get there.
Did you want cheese on the bacon double burger?
Yeah.
Is lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise okay with that?
Everything's okay.
Bacon, no cheese, no mayo.
Fries.
Large cheese fries?
Yeah. And large
Excuse me, sir.
You can't record.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I was just scolded here at Portillos because I'm not supposed to record their secret operation behind the counter of how they put burgers and roast beef and chili dogs together. So I've been banished from the Portillos kingdom. What's going to happen? Who knows? Stay tuned. Well, I have some good news for y'all out there. Portillos is safe because they don't allow us to record anything going on behind the counter. So China won't find out how they make chili dogs and their special beef and their hamburgers. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Hey, I'm doing something so nice for my wife right now. I'm getting her a chocolate eclair cake. It's not even her birthday, but I'm doing this. So gonna watch this here. chocolate eclair cake, $3.57. My wife's worth it. Absolutely. Well, I don't know if I got away with it or not, but I might be able to get my video out to Shenzhen so they can see what goes on behind the counter at Portillos. You never know here, folks. You never know. Well, there they go. Well, there they go. They're going off to Wawa. They say it's like Disney World inside there for a convenience store. Okay, now tell everyone what you just told me. What did I get you at Portillo's tonight?
You got me some cake.
I got you some cake, but just tell me how you said it. You said that was what?
I don't even know what my exact words are. I said it was very considerate of you.
And thoughtful.
And thoughtful.
And that I should do this more often. Buy you
Yes.
things.
Well, but I'm not materialistic, though. You got to admit.
Valerie is not materialistic. Let's make sure that we know that and get that out there.
But
Okay?
cake, I'm okay with cake any day of the week.
So there you have it. You have my email address. If you want to send cake to Valerie, okay, send me an email and I'll give you our address and you could drop it in the mail. She will not turn cake down. I'm telling you guys.